Meaning of giddiness.
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 Giddiness. Giddiness is a feeling of dizziness or lightheadedness that can cause a person to lose balance or feel disoriented. It is often caused by a sudden decrease in blood pressure, dehydration, or an underlying medical condition. Symptoms may include blurred vision, weakness, nausea, and difficulty concentrating. Giddiness can be a temporary discomfort or a chronic condition that affects a person's daily life. If symptoms persist or worsen, it is important to seek medical attention to determine the underlying cause and receive appropriate treatment. Treatment may include medication, lifestyle changes, or therapy.